Hello everyone. So before we begin, it's important to understand that incognito mode of the Google Chrome browser doesn't save your web history or cookies. However, the traces of your internet activity are still there within the DNS cache. So in this video, I'll show you how to wipe off the DNS cache of your phone completely and leave you unmarked, so to say. So let's start with opening up our Google Chrome as we usually do. Let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner and let's press on New Incognito tab. Great. Now let's use our search bar and we are to type in the following command, which sounds like Chrome /net internals. Let's hit our enter button. So here we can see a page divided by two. On the left side, we're to press on DNS. That's what we need. This is our DNS settings. Now locate your host resolver cache and clear host cache button right beneath it. Now let's tap on our clear host cache button a couple times just in order to make sure that we hit it right. And basically that's it. You won't get any confirmation, you won't get any pop-up windows. However, our job is done here, and now we can simply close Chrome and use our phone as we usually do. Basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.